Hey guys, welcome to the shop. Today we are working on this 57 Plymouth Savoy, and this is Brando's car. So we're going to put this beast in there, right Tom? That's
yes,
the
sir.
plan? Okay, we got our friend Tombo here with us to help us out. So we're going to go ahead and sit this in there. Now, you're probably wondering why there's no transmission on this, and it's probably in the car. You're wrong. You're wrong on both counts, okay? There's no transmission here because we ain't got a tranny for it yet.
I need a little bondo over there.
Just a little bit. Oh, shoot. Fix that. Anyways, so there's no transmission because we don't have it in either one of the other cars yet. It's going to go in this car. But, quite frankly, the motor's in the way. And this is really probably just a wasted episode because we're just going to set this motor in there as a shelf. So this car is basically going to act as a shelf to hold its future motor. This is a 361 out of, I believe, a 1963. Plymouth is what it is. So that's going to go in here, and man, that plate is bent on the back of that motor. Did you see that? So that's going to have to be taken care of. But anyways, today's goal, I should say three, we got a lot of other things to do today too, but one goal today is to get this motor just sitting in here, and we're going to bring in, because whoever did these motor mounts in here, I guess it's Steve Wonder.
You did a good job.
Yeah, he did a good job, all right. Yeah. So, I'm going to grab a camera and bring you guys in so you guys can take a look. And our mount isn't much better, but let's bring it in. So under the hood here, you can see we got a couple boards set up across here, cross torsion bars, so the motor doesn't go right down through. Okay. Eventually, we're going to put different mounts on this because you can see it does take this style mount. Oops, I'm sorry. That style mount right there, which we had for the Imperial, the 60 Imperial that we had. So we do have a nice set of those mounts that will mount on here, but these ones, not it. Not it at all. So I think we're gonna end up taking these mounts off there. So you can see the booger welds are pretty bad. You see that down there? And
That's a great name for those.
Booger welds?
Yes.
They even have a bolt like welded into it here. And then look at, they got a bolt welded into it here. And one welded in there. It looks like it almost looks like a door hinge almost, but it's not. But so yeah, we've got some cleanup to do, but we're gonna possibly cut those off there. I think we're gonna take a look and make sure that we're not gonna need them, which there's no way this motor is gonna go in there on those mounts. I do believe that those are 6-cylinder mounts that was put in this car, but I could be wrong. I don't know, I've been wrong once, you know, so maybe. But yeah, anyway, so goal, sit this in there temporarily till we can get to this project, because we're not working on this car today, not building this car anytime real soon. But we've been doing lots of things around here, including working on Brando's square body project as well, doing an LS swap on that. He's been putting a lot of work in that, so watch for a video on that. That'll be coming. And he's working today on pulling the LS motor out of this thing, which is a 2000 GMC. 92,000 original miles on the motor in that truck. So it's really, really cool. And that's going in the square body. Okay. But in the meantime, we went ahead, did a little bit of deflating on the tires to get that thing down lower so we can get that beast in that car. So without further ado, I think we're going to try slapping it in there. What do you think, Tommy?
Sounds good.
Not making so much noise in there. Oh, yeah, we got to decide what we're doing on the mount. So, my bad. Did you decide what you're going to do with these mounts yet? Are you going to run these mounts or what? Because I think those are 6-cylinder mounts.
Well, those can get cut off anyway, because those are, they screwed that all up and I gotta fix it no matter what, so cut them off.
Yeah, it does look really bad.
It looks like hell.
Alright, we get the plasma out here, see if we can just zip on.
If this motor's not in this car tonight, we lose the shop.
I know.
Can't do that.
Sucks.
I won't have a place to live. I don't think so.
Alright, so we're back at you for a second just to let you know that we got the crappy motor mounts that somebody put in there all cut out of there temporarily. And you can see where they did some really bad patches with angle iron in the back. They literally torched the old mounts out, which is a big stupid mistake. They could have just cut them off, but whatever. It is what it is. You know, some people shouldn't be working on cars, what I'm trying to say, you know. So anyway, they did it over here too, so boogered that all up. So I don't know if we'll probably just patch that, make some new motor mounts for there and move on from there. But again, we'll deal with that when we get ready to do this car. Right now it's not up on the schedule to be done right away. It's just Brando's car. So we're gonna go and get this motor set in here now, and we'll come back as soon as we get that sitting in there. We're gonna use this cherry picker right here, the old antique, and get her sitting in there. And Tombo's fired up, he's ready to go. He's like, hey, let's start this thing after we get it in there. Not gonna happen, but we'll do it anyway. All right, we're gonna get back to work. All right, so the motor's in. There we go. All in and mounted on its 2x4s where it belongs. What better way to mount a motor, you know?
It'll be all right.
I'm not quite sure, but I think we're gonna have to put a cap on it, you know, I think. And the points, well, I don't know. I don't think that they're gonna work too well, the coil.
Let's see what your points are saying.
Yep, yeah,
I don't get the point, but
yeah, I understand. They look a little rusty.
yeah.
Probably won't work, is my guess. And look at all the nuts. You have to be nuts to be working on this car, right?
You ain't lying.
Okay. All right, well, it's not bad. It's not the worst thing we've seen on YouTube, right? I mean, he does have some really nice 58 fenders for this thing. So, yep, that's right. You heard it right. This car is getting converted to a 58. You heard right. So, for all you 57 Plymouth lovers out there, wah. Wah, wah. It's another 57 going to get changed to a 58. Yeah, go ahead and start the comments. Leave them down below. We read them for sure. So don't read your comments. But anyway, what? Just the people, you know, are going to be complaining that this is turned into a 58. So
Well, I hate to say it, but I can tell them one thing.
you know,
Sorry, but it's my car, and I want a 58.
I said just leave the comments down below because we'll be sure to read them.
They can say there's enough 58s in the world, but I hate to say it. I don't have one, so there's not.
That's right. There's not
Sorry.
enough to go around. So, this beautiful, besides, the 57 two-door post, nobody wants it anyways. Nobody's going to want a 57 two-door post to restore as a 57.
But they're going to want a 58 two-door post.
If you want a 57 two-door post, get one, restore it, make it yours. And we'll support you 100%. We'll even sell you 57 parts. All right, so what's next? Should we get some air in these tires? We got valve stems back again?
Yep.
All right, good deal. Let's get... I got her, Tommy.
All righty.
We got the air hose and tires.
Well, that's it. I'll put these dentist tools away.
Yeah, the
Grind
death
your
tools.
teeth.
The death tools.
That wheel?
Well, I don't know whose ratchet this was.
Here we go. This is a scene from Christine. You don't see me over here. I'm trying to pull up like Christine, but they don't see me over here.
That's right. I wish I had that music on. It's now or maybe. Woo!
tire looks good. That's what we call snow tire.
What the snot?
In the middle of the
Oh
winter
yeah,
there
it's a
in
high
front
spot. Now make sure when you set this in there, we pinch our fingers really nice and tight.
Got it.
Look at that alignment.
of you. Just don't see that anymore.
You gotta pull it towards you. You're hitting on
Get my feeler gauge. I'm gonna check the gap.
Good enough for my house.
57 pull with a brand new Hemi in it.
Something like that.
Brand new 1963 Hemi.
Make sure you get my walk.
Where are you tonight?
Why did you leave me here all alone?
I searched the world over and thought I found true love.
You met another and
You were gone. Is that an actual song?
It was on here.
Where, oh where are you tonight? Why did you leave me here all alone?
Sing it, Brando.
I searched the world over and thought I found true love. You met another and you were gone.
I'm going to definitely play that in the video.
Do it. Where, oh where are you tonight? Why did you leave me here all alone? I searched the world over and thought I found true love. You met another soul. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Boo, boo.
Bees.
We're here all night. Come on, see us.
We take requests, but we only know one song.